Day 13 of the Delphi murder trial gets underway in less than an hour. The jury's going to hear more from witnesses that are now being called by the defense.
The prosecution rested its case Thursday afternoon, and the judge made a ruling on if Richard Allen's Google searches can be included in the trial. Let's go to Anna Darling. She's sharing the very latest. Anna?
Good morning, guys. Judge Fran Gull ruled that Allen's Google searches can be admitted and given to the jury, but they were not actually read out loud in court, and no witnesses testified about them. Our team did get a chance to look at them afterwards. Allen had searched a lot about disturbing movies where kidnapping and hostages were parts of the plot. He made numerous searches about the Delphi murder case in 2022 as well. As the prosecution called its last witnesses and evidence, the jury got to hear recorded phone calls from the defendant Richard Allen to his wife and mother. Indiana State Police investigator Brian Harshman told the jury he listened to approximately 700 phone calls from Allen in multiple phone conversations throughout 2023 with his wife. He admits to killing Abby Williams and Libby German. His wife responds that she knows he did not do it. During cross-examination, Harshman confirmed for him that Allen had been showing some bizarre behaviors while in custody. Now, the first two witnesses for the defense were two women who were in the area when Abby Williams and Libby German were killed on February 13th, 2017. One was out walking near the Freedom Bridge that day and remembered seeing an older and overweight man who did not say hello to her. The other was a neighbor who lived nearby who remembered seeing a man she did not know near her mailbox that morning. She said the man then walked down the road to the general direction of the Monon High Bridge. You can read much more about all of this testimony over on our website right now, and our team will be back in the courtroom today to bring us the latest on who else the defense will call in an effort to cast reasonable doubt for the jury that Richard Allen is the person who killed Abby and Libby. Back to you guys.